Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $30 plus in 1 hour. Very simple. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And as you can tell from the intro, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also give me a like. It really helps out my channel. It helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. And make sure you type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. Now, I'm at 2,600. I still got a little ways to go. I was looking forward to making it to 3,000 subscribers this month of May, but might not get there. It's May 28 as May 28 as I'm doing this video. We only got a couple of days left. I'm still going to encourage you guys to help me get to 3,000 subscribers. But if we don't get there, that's cool. We're going to get there soon. All right, guys, let's get into this method. This method is available worldwide and it's very, very simple to do. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end so you'll know exactly how you can earn this $30 in 1 hour. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. Now, this is a user testing website. I've talked about user testing websites before in the past, but I don't think I've ever talked about this website. Now, this website is a real good website because they pay fast and they have tests available more often than the other websites. So let's just go ahead and learn a little bit about this website. So it says test your mobile app, test your mobile application usability by real users. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be testing apps and websites. So let's just scroll down here and you're going to click on here where it says join the usability testing community. And it's going to take you to this page. And it says here, user registration. So share your experience. We want your opinion. Get paid surfing website while telling us what you think. $10 for 10 to 15 minutes. And you'll be able to register right here with your name and email and a password. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be just surfing a website, giving your opinion on that website, and you get paid $10. And it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's go to the frequently asked questions right here. So what does the test involve? You'll be asked to read some instructions and complete tasks on a website. This session will be recorded, your screen and audio will be saved. It typically takes about 15 minutes. So that's why I said in the title, $30 an hour, because it's going to take about 15 minutes. And if you get like 3 of them within an hour, that's $30 you can make. So let's just check here where it says who qualified for this test. Anybody with an internet connection and microphone. So it doesn't matter where you live. This is available worldwide. All you have to do is have a microphone and a connection. And how long does the test take? We know that. How much you get paid? We went over that. And how do you get paid? We will send the payment. We will send you a payment via PayPal. So you get paid through PayPal. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, it's easy to sign up. Just go to paypal.com, sign up, and you're all set. Now, how do I get contacted? So you will get an email from us when we need you to complete a task. So that's all you have to do is just check your email, maybe once, twice an hour, see if you got any tests from them. Do that test real quick and you, boom, get paid. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making if you're ready to make $30 an hour doing this user testing, just go to analyzer.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start earning $30 plus in 1 hour. So go ahead and sign up with their website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. Please, before you leave, direct your attention to the description below. Now, in the description, I have a lot of cool stuff you guys can check out, and you definitely will benefit from these things that I have available in the description below. Now, also at the bottom of the description, I have some apps that I created. They're very fun. So download those apps, check it out. And if you would like to create your own app, click the link where it says my #1 recommended method to make money on autopilot. Click that link. It's going to take you to a site where you can learn how to create your own app and make money on autopilot. So click on that link in the description and also check all my other stuff out. All right, guys, that's it. I'm about to get out of here. But before I leave, I need you guys to do me a favor. Hit that like button for me and help me to get like 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below. If you have any questions about this method, ask me that question. I'll try to answer all the questions I get in the comment section. So drop that in the comment section for me. Also, don't forget to type #GetYourGrind so you can get a chance to win this free money, because it's coming soon once I reach 3,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet, because I really, really do want to help everybody I can to make money online. Because here in 2020, with all this going on, you really need to become your own boss. You got to rely on yourself. You can't rely on working for somebody else. So please share this all around the internet, guys, and help me get to 3,000 subscribers, because my hand is itching. I'm ready to give away this money. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, that's it. I really appreciate you guys checking me out. Thank you for the support. I know I say this every video, but I'm saying this, I'm really being sincere. I really do appreciate you guys helping me out by checking out my videos. And I'm going to keep bringing this content as long as y'all keep checking me out. All right, guys. One other thing. I like to do shout outs. So if you can leave a creative comment in the comments below, very creative, along with the hashtag get your grind on, I might shout you out in one of my videos. So be real creative with your comment. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.